Try this steak, green beans, and potato salad. Every time I make a potato salad, it reminds me of my mother. She had this big wooden spoon she used just for making her famous potato salad. She always said it made it taste better. I remember watching her boiling the potatoes just right. Never too soft, never too firm. She mashed the eggs with the back of a fork, just enough to keep them chunky. Then came the mayo, just the right amount to make it creamy, and a few spoonfuls of yellow mustard, giving it that tangy bite. She chopped the celery by hand, making sure it was crunchy and fine. As I'm mixing these together now, I can still hear her saying, "It's not just about the ingredients, but about the love you put into each step." And here I am, stirring in the potatoes, eggs, mayo, mustard, and celery, hoping I'm adding just the right amount of love, just like she did. Every family picnic, every gathering, this was the dish that brought us all together. And now it's my turn to carry out that tradition.